This is a 1983 R100RS that I picked up a couple of years ago. I always wanted an RS and this became available, so I grabbed it. And I had every intention of completely restoring it. But a couple of months after I got it, somebody put a 1977 RS up for sale, and that was the first year that bike was available. So I went ahead and I decided to buy this and rebuild it completely. And that kind of took some of the time away from the first one I bought, but I had a great deal of fun putting this one together. Anyhow, it's time to get back and do some work on the 83. What I've decided is that I'm going to convert this into an RT, which really is a change to the upper body panels, which are different, but all the lower body panels and the center panels stay the same. So it's not a big change, but kind of be nice to have an RS and an RT. So that's what I'm going to do. The seat is need of some attention. Got a tear. I think I'm going to put new foam and likely get a custom seat. If I do go the custom seat, I think I'll do a Russell day-long saddle conversion on it. The rear drive paint needs refreshing, but the mufflers are in great shape, no rust, and the chrome's perfect, so those are salvaged. Back when I first did some work on the bike, I rebuilt and polished the carbs, so that's all out of the way. And give you a little more view of the damage to the fairings. The panels are all good, they're not cracked, but the paint's kind of been beat up and a lot of stone chipping, particularly on this front headlight shell. Got all kinds of chips and peppers, kind of like somebody fired a shotgun at it. The bike came with a tank cover, one of those leather deals, and the reason for that is because the paint up on the top is shot. So unfortunately it all got worn away here and some cracks here, but we'll take care of that. The toolkit's original, still there, and you can see here there's some rust, but that'll get taken care of. What's kind of nice is the rear fender's in great shape and all the original stickers are still there, and I'd like to save those. Now the seat pan looks good, but there is an area where the paint came loose and some rusting. Gonna see if I can fix that and hopefully not lose the original stickers when I get done with that. So we'll see how that goes. The rear of the bike is great, no problems, no chips or broken parts or anything like that. So I think that's going to work out fine. As you can see here, quite a bit of leakage out of the pushrod tube seals, but that's usually the case. They tend to go. And the other thing is the header pipes are rusting. Quite a bit of corrosion down here, and over on the cross member there's quite a bit of corrosion, so I'm going to have to update all that. But by and large, I think it'll make a nice base for doing the RT conversion. So stay tuned, we'll see how it goes.